Tullikamarinkatu 14, Kokkola, Kone, Finland. 4 passenger chair, 25 euros. Fully level traction elevator. Very nice elevator. Vilket som rör?
Nåväl.
Nåväl. Ja. 4 floors. Built in 1995, H68411. It's going to be inspected next year, 2020, turning 25 years old in next year. Also, look, here it says, wait a minute. Let's see, 1995. It's quite warm inside.
How did you get in?
There was a door to the storage room that was open. Not completely locked off.
Ah. One ride or
2. This one has full memory.
yeah.
Nice.
So rare that some elevators have full memory.
And it's very fresh.
Yeah.
Even if it's turning 25 years old. Also, when it will be 30, it will probably be still as fresh.
Oh.
In 2025.
Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Schindler.
Let's continue.
That's